Welcome back, everybody, and we have a sales leak here that we're going to take a look at today. What we have is Harbor Freight's 25% off all floor jacks and jack stands. ITC gets early access July 16th. It's a 3-day only sale. For everyone else, that is going to be July 17th through the 19th. Let's go ahead and go over these, and I'll give you the sales price. All right, we're going to start off in floor jacks here. And the first one we got is a Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack with the rapid pump. Slate gray for $169.99 normal price. 25% off on that one is going to be $127.49. Next up here we have a Pittsburgh 3-ton floor jack with the rapid pump slate gray. This one is going to be $149.99 regular price. Sales price on this one will be $112.49. Next up here we got a Daytona 3-ton low profile professional floor jack rapid pump. And this one is available in these 4 colors right here. This one is going to be $199.99. Sales price on it will be $149.99. Then finishing off this row, we got a Daytona 3-ton long reach low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, available in these 4 colors for $269.99. Sales price on that will be $202.49. Starting off this row, we got a Daytona 3-ton low profile super duty floor jack with rapid pump. It's available in these 5 colors. Normal price is $289.99. Sales price on this one will be $217.49. Next up here we have the Badlands 3-ton off-road jack. This one is going to be $379.99 normally. Sales price on this one will be $284.99. Next up here we have a Daytona 3-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump. This is going to be $179.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $134.99. Available in these 4 colors. Finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump. That's going to be regular price is $249.99. Sales price on this one will be $187.49. Starting off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 1.5-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump. $109.99 is regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $82.49. Next up here, we have the Pittsburgh 2-ton low-profile jack with the rapid pump slate gray. This one is going to be $139.99. 25% off of that one will make it $104.99. Now, I don't know if they're going to consider accessories on this, but I clicked on floor jacks and this came up. So we're going to roll with it, and I'm going to give you the sales price, but don't hold me to it, that this is going to be part of the sale. What we have here is a Daytona steel floor jack cross beam for $69.99. And the sales price on this one will be $52.49. Finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 2-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack with the rapid pump. This one is going to be $199.99. Sales price on this one will be $149.99. Starting off this row, we got a Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump, available in these 4 colors for $269.99 regular price. Sales price on that one will be $102.49. Next up here, we have a Daytona 1.5-ton professional racing series aluminum floor jack with the rapid pump for $139.99 regular price. Sales price on this one will be $104.99. Then we got a Daytona 2-ton professional racing series aluminum floor jack with the rapid pump. Regular price on this one, is going to be $229.99. Sales price on this will be $172.49. Then finishing off this row, we got a Badlands 1.5-ton off-road floor jack with the rapid pump. And this one has the precise descent control on it. So the regular price on this one is going to be $279.99. Sales price on this one will be $209.99. Starting off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 2.5-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack with the rapid pump. Regular price on this one is $219.99. Sales price will be $164.99. Next up here, we have a Daytona 1.5-ton ultra low profile, lightweight, high performance aluminum racing jack with rapid pump. Regular price on that, is going to be $299.99. Sales price is going to be $224.99. Next up here, we have a Pittsburgh 2-ton compact trolley jack. Right now, it's on instant savings for $34.99. That is a great deal on there, and that is 30% off on that one. And if everybody knows on instant savings, that's just a new low price. So this should get discounted another $25, which would drop it down to $26, $24. That would be a smoking deal to throw a jack like this in your trunk or in the back of your truck. Of course, it ain't tall enough for a truck. You'd probably have to put it on the differential or put a block on it. But for $26, $24, that is a great price on that one. Then finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 22-ton air hydraulic floor jack. This is going to be $389.99. Sales price is going to be $292.49. Great time to pick this up as when it's on a sale like this. Not everybody needs a jack like this, but if you do, now's the time to get it. Now we're going to be taking a look at some jack stands here. And first off, we got a Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty rationing jack stands. $49.99 is regular price. Sales price on this is going to be $37.49, and they're going to be available in all these colors. Not a bad deal. I picked these up a while ago when they were on a different sale. I don't remember. Might have been a parking lot sale or something earlier in the year. So far, I've been very pleased with them. They've worked very well for me. Using them on minivans, small cars, and SUVs, I've had no issues with them. Next up here, we got the Daytona 6-ton heavy-duty rationing jack stands. $79.99 regular price. Sales price on that one's going to be $59.99. And then you got all these colors available here. Another good deal on those. Next up here, once again, I don't know if they're going to have accessories with it, but we're going to act like they are. So the Daytona pads for the 3-ton jack stands, 2-piece, $10.99. Sales price on that will be $8.24. Finishing off this row, we got the Pittsburgh 3-ton aluminum jack stands. These are going to be $54.99 regular price. Sales price on these are going to be $41.24. Starting off this row, we got the Pittsburgh 2-ton capacity under hoist safety stand, $99.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $74.99. Once again, came up under the jack stands, so I'm going to guess this is going to be part of the sale. Next up here, we have the Daytona 3-ton jack stand with the circular pads, $79.99 is regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $59.99. Then we got some big bad boy jack stands here. We got the Daytona 12-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands, black, $159.99. Sales price on these are going to be $119.99. Then finishing off this row, we got the Daytona 22-ton heavy-duty jack stands with the locking pins, yellow, $209.99 is regular price. Sales price on these will be $157.49. Smoking deal on these if you need to get them. Starting off this row, we got the Daytona 3-ton aluminum jack stands for $69.99. Sales price on these will be $52.49. Next up here, we got some new jack stands here from Badlands. We got the 6-ton off-road jack stands for $169.99 regular price. Sales price on those will be $127.49. Next up here is going to be another accessory that I'm not sure it's going to be on here, but we're going to roll with it. We got the Daytona Magnetic Universal Jack Pad Pinch Weld Adapter, $14.99 regular price. Sales price on this one will be $11.24. Then finishing off this row, we got another instant savings. So that means we should get 25% off of this sales price right here. We got the Pittsburgh 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack, $19.99. Sales price on that one will be $14.99. Now starting off this row, we got the Badlands 48-inch farm jack. It goes on the floor, so it should be a floor jack. We're going to throw this one in also. Regular price on it's going to be $89.99. Sales price is going to be $67.49. But like I said, some of these I am not sure of. Next up here, we have a Pittsburgh 8-ton hydraulic bottle jack, $37.99. Sales price on this will be $28.49. Next up here, we have the Daytona 2,500-pound capacity professional steel vehicle dollies, 2-piece. Regular price is $89.99. Sales price on this will be $67.49. 1,300-pound capacity self-loading positioning wheel dolly. Regular price on this is going to be $129.99. Sales price will be $97.49. Starting off this row, we got the Pittsburgh 450-pound low lift transmission jack, $129.99 regular price. Sales price on this one will be $97.49. Next up here, we have the Pittsburgh 12-ton hydraulic bottle jack, $39.99 regular price. Sales price on this one will be $29.99. Next up here, we have a Pittsburgh 12-ton hydraulic low-profile bottle jack. Regular price is $39.99. ITC is already getting it for $29.99 at 25% off. And inside track, you're not going to get any more off of that one. So it's going to be this price no matter what. Then finishing off this row, we got the Pittsburgh 12-ton hydraulic bottle jack for $59.99. Sales price on this one will be $44.99. Starting off this row, we got the Pittsburgh 20-ton air hydraulic bottle jack, $159.99. Sales price on this will be $119.99. Next up, we got the Hallmaster 2.5-ton trailer RV scissor stabilizer, $37.99. Sales price on that will be $28.49. Next up here, we have the Badlands 60-inch Farm Jack, $99.99. Sales price on this one will be $74.99. Finishing off this row, we got the Pittsburgh 20-ton hydraulic low-profile bottle jack, $59.99 is regular price. Sales price on this one will be $44.99. All right, in this row, we got a couple of high dollar items here to start it off, and now is the time to snake these up, is when they have a deal like this, so that's when you need to get them. First off here, we have a Pittsburgh 2,000-pound low-profile transmission jack for $379.99. Sales price on that is going to be $284.99. Then we got the Pittsburgh 800-pound low-lift transmission jack for $239.99. Sales price on that will be $179.99. Then we got a Pittsburgh 1,500-pound capacity vehicle dollies, 2-piece for $64.99. Sales price on these is going to be $48.74. And finishing off this row, we got a Hallmaster 600-pound trailer dolly, $64.99 regular price. Sales price will be $48.74. Starting off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 30-ton hydraulic bottle jack for $119.99. ITC is already getting it for $89.99. $30 off, which is pretty much 25% off already. So you can't take nothing off of this one either. So just pick up the ITC deal right now if you need it. Next up is the Pittsburgh 12-ton air hydraulic bottle jack, $119.99. Sales price on that will be $89.99. Then we got the Hallmaster 1.5-ton scissor jack, $22.99. Sales price will be $17.24. And I do not recommend these. These can actually be dangerous. I've seen vehicles tip off of these. If you're going to get a cheap jack, go get that trolley jack that was up there that was on sale that we went over earlier. A lot better, safer jack than what this one is. Then finishing off this row, we got a Daytona 20-ton heavy-duty hydraulic bottle jack for $89.99. $67.49, sorry, will be the sales price. Starting off this row, we got the Pittsburgh 3-ton super heavy-duty long ram round bottom hydraulic bottle jack. That's a lot to say. This is going to be $59.99 regular price. Sales price is going to be $44.99. Next up here, we have a Daytona 12-ton heavy-duty hydraulic bottle jack for a regular price of $69.99. Sales price will be $52.49. Next up here will be another high dollar ticket. It'll be a great deal on this sale. We got the Daytona 3,600-pound pinch weld vehicle dollies 2-pack for $219.99. Sales price on this one will be $164.99. Finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 8-ton super heavy-duty long ram round bottom hydraulic jack, $79.99 regular price. Sales price will be $59.99. Starting off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 8-ton super heavy-duty long ram round bottom hydraulic jack. This one is going to be $119.99. Sales price will be $89.99. Here's another high ticket one that'll be great to get on the sale. We got the Daytona 10-ton tow jack, $329.99. Sales price on this one will be $247.49. Next up here, we have the Daytona wheel dolly storage rack, $59.99 regular price. Sales price on this will be $44.99. Finishing off this row, we got the Daytona extra long high leverage 1-piece floor jack handle for $19.99. Sales price on this will be $14.99. Starting off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 3-ton super heavy duty long ram flat bottom hydraulic floor jack, $59.99. Sales price on this will be $44.99. Then we got a Pittsburgh 1,250-pound capacity low profile motorcycle dolly, $129.99. Sales price on this will be $97.49. Then finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh 8-ton super heavy duty long ram flat bottom hydraulic jack for $79.99. Sales price on this one will be $59.99. So there you have it. There's the Harbor Freight 25% off all floor jacks and jack stands. There is some awesome deals going on, mostly on those high ticket items. Now would be the time to get these. Leave a comment down below if you want to snag any of these jacks or jack stands. I'd like to hear from you. Like I said, I have one of the Daytona 3-ton jacks and love it. And I got the 3-ton jack stands and never had an issue with them. Now don't forget, it pays to be ITC because you get early access July 16th on this. And the rest of the dates on this would be July 17th through the 19th. This is a great weekend deal going on. Leave a comment down below. Like I said, I want to hear from you guys on what you're getting. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there, I do have affiliated accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.